Hello friends, welcome to Fairy Bros channel. I am Mujib. Today I like to tell about the top 5 Indian YouTubers. Number 5. Sandeep Maheshwari, the CEO of ImagesBazaar.com. Maheshwari is a well-known name in every top Indian YouTubers list. He is a motivational speaker who started his career as a photographer in 2000. 7 years later, he sold his camera and joined a marketing firm. What makes him more authentic as a motivational speaker is the fact that he has seen many ups and downs in life himself. He had also started his own company before having ImagesBazaar.com, which he had to shut down. Like any other middle class guy in the country, he had unclear dreams and failures, but his undying determination kept him going. After finally tasting success, he decided to share his mantra for success with the youth. As of now, he proudly has 2 million subscribers on YouTube with over 120 million views. He often conducts seminars across the country which are attended by thousands of people, all free of cost. His seminars on YouTube or otherwise have helped many youths. Number 4. Vidya Iyer. There is no need of explaining this name to music lovers. Almost all of us have grew to the tunes found in Vidya Walk's music. She started her YouTube channel while she was studying psychology at George Washington University. She performed in Shruti Box before starting her own. She became immensely popular when she started mixing Hollywood and Bollywood music. Her mashup with Chainsmokers is the most popular video on her channel with over 30 million plus views. Lately, she has moved to producing original songs as well. The themes of her other songs revolve around women empowerment and non-judgmentalism. She aims to show that music is universal, that the knowledge of a particular language is not needed to enjoy music. Her channel has 6.39 million followers and 722 million views. Number 3. Gaurav Chaudhary, popularly called Technical Guruji. Gaurav Chaudhary hit 13 million subscribers in June 2019. His channel talks about latest mobile phones and technology. He often does unbox and review videos for new mobile phones. Even though the journey of his channel is uncommon, the X factor of these videos is that they are in Hindi and are super easy to understand. He has faced criticism for talking on trivial topics and not being very specific with what he says, but his number of subscribers clearly do not agree with it. Number 2. Ashish Chanchlani. Needless to say, this guy has to be on this list. He shot to fame with his comic vines on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. His comic timing, relatable content have attracted 15.3 million subscribers and 1.5 billion views. Initially, he used to do movie reviews but eventually moved to comic vines. From an engineering student, he became India's top watched YouTuber. What makes him different is that no two videos from his channel are the same, which means that he consistently creates original and unique content. The spontaneity of his videos is such that it seems someone shot them at his house without informing him. And finally, number 1. Bhuvan Bam, a YouTube star known for his channel BBK Vines. Bam is the first Indian YouTuber to reach 10 million subscribers with over 1.2 billion views. He started his career as a singer in bars of New Delhi and went on to become a loved YouTuber because of his sense of humor and originality. He has won an award for the most popular YouTube channel. He also won Global Entertainer of the Year in 2019. He is popular among youth for his influence in sarcasm and abuses and for producing content that most of us can relate with. He shows that a great entertainer is not born because of dialogues, Entertaining people is an ability that uses a great script, wide wit, sense of humor, and acting. If you like this video, please share, comment, and like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.